Kublai phi baro ki bapedya ni ga channel ka jangi ka DMBW ka Aisha phi ya ki service repair kum ka welding ka fabrication engineering works, furnitures, home interior designs, electricals and home wiring. Ka fabrication engineering works ka ai ka service phi kum kamal steel but stainless steel haka bayday bat kani ka fabrication works kishna lut ki jingshna kum ki steel structures, gates, railing, windows, shutters and stainless steel railing, steel and glass railing, metal and glass house, metal roof truss, ki steel and wood dining table set but bon ki we ru kat ba kum ka jingdam kam ka jompi Gi ai ru ya ka service ki bakanthom ka home interior furniture and design kum ki modern closet wardrobe modular kitchen modular main door nang ta ki design false ceiling design almirah ha ki kamra thia ki jompi nang ta ru ki dining table bashna lamba ki nal mat ki ding ile ru ya ki design ha ki kenro yeng bat ki kamra thia ki jongphi kum ki wall putty design painting bat ban pen kala ya ki kenro ha ka dor jong ki mau marble ni ai ru ya ka service ha ka bai dei ba ki glass wall glass partition bat ki glass door ka DMBW ka ai ru shapi wat ya ki electricals home wiring bat ki safety electrical appliances na ka benta ki tiar bat ki machine ke ba phi bo ha ki yeng ki jompi bat tang bangi penle ya ki wiring henreng i pen biang ru wat ya ki safety switch na ka benta ban yara na ka jingdo jong ki tiar ki jompi kom ki washing machines ki ovens bat ki safety switch na ka benta ki motor pump bat ki wei ti khublei shibun